Hey crafters, Lisa Meekum here with Creative Fashion Blog, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your own leather tassels. These are awesome for dressing up all of your accessories, your luggage, or you could even make smaller ones into jewelry if you like. Really, the possibilities are endless with these, and they're really simple to make. All you're going to do is start out by cutting a scrap piece of leather to 6 inches by 11 inches. Then we're going to take our tailor's chalk and we're going to mark it 1 inch from the top. This is going to keep your tassel from falling apart and make it a lot easier to work with. Next, use a grid roller and a rotary blade to cut 1/4 inch strips up to your chalk line all along the bottom of your leather piece. You're going to make your way across the entire section of your leather and leave a 1/2 inch strip at the end. This 1/2 inch strip is going to be the hoop that holds your entire tassel up and in place. We want it to be a little bit thicker so it's a little bit more sturdy. Now, to put your tassel together, we're going to take that 1/2 inch strip up and over itself so that it creates a nice hoop. We'll use some fabric glue on either side of your leather to make sure that it's in place really well. After your glue is tacky and it's all held in place, take a strip of glue and you're going to apply it to that top 1 inch section and then start really tightly rolling it all in place. The glue will hold everything together. Now that your leather tassel is complete, you can either let your glue dry and leave it just as it is, or we can add some other layers to it to give it just a little bit more interest and make it a little bit more unique. We're going to do this by cutting another piece of leather to 6.5 inches by 4 inches and then marking the top long section 1/2 inch down with tailor's chalk. From here, we'll do the same process where we'll slice it into 1/4 inch sections all the way across the bottom. You don't need to leave a 1/2 inch section on this step because we already have a hoop that is going to provide us with all of the security we need for our leather. Before you roll your leather to create your tassel, you can eliminate the look of that chalk line either by flipping it over and having the chalk line be on the inside, or by using a damp cloth to remove your strip. Now, to attach it to our leather, we're going to do the same process where we just put a little strip of fabric glue across that top 1/2 inch line and then continue rolling your tassel where we left off. Once you're done rolling, let your glue dry for a couple hours and your tassel is ready to use. This little tutorial is so fun, so quick to make, and really upgrades your accessories in a really fun way. So I really hope that you guys liked this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want more tutorials, be sure to check out creativefashionblog.com.